Embarking on the journey of starting a cleaning service business opens up a world of possibilities. It presents an appealing venture for aspiring entrepreneurs, especially in America, where the demand for cleaning services continues to rise. The initial phase involves honing in on a niche, whether it's residential house cleaning, commercial office cleaning, or specialized tasks like post-construction cleaning or carpet cleaning. Selecting a niche not only streamlines your operations, but also helps you target your marketing efforts effectively. The foundation of your cleaning service lies in a well-crafted business plan. This blueprint should detail the scope of services you intend to offer, identify your target audience, outline your pricing strategies, and establish a marketing approach. With a comprehensive plan at your fingertips, you can navigate the complexities of running a business with clarity and direction. Next in line is registering your business. A distinctive name is vital as it lays the groundwork for your brand identity. Registering as an LLC is a preferred choice due to the legal shields it provides, fostering a sense of security in your business dealings. Depending on your location, securing a local business license may also be necessary, reinforcing your legitimacy in the eyes of potential clients. Insurance is another critical component, specifically general liability insurance. This protection safeguards your business from mishaps, ensuring you can tackle unforeseen accidents or property damage confidently. Insurance not only shields your business but also builds trust among clients, which is paramount in the service industry. Acquiring the right equipment is integral to delivering exceptional service. With a modest investment, you can gather essential supplies like vacuum cleaners, disinfectants, and cleaning solutions. Starting simple allows you to expand your toolkit as your clientele grows. Establishing competitive pricing is essential in attracting customers while ensuring profitability. With market research, set your rates to align with local competitors, but remain flexible to adjust offerings based on demand. Complement this with a robust marketing strategy. A strong online presence through platforms like Google and social media aids in reaching a broader audience. Finally, the linchpin of your success is providing unrivaled service. Punctuality, professionalism, and thorough cleaning techniques will leave a lasting impression. Satisfied clients become your best advocates, advocating for your services within their networks. As your reputation flourishes, consider scaling operations by hiring additional staff and expanding client services, paving the way to a flourishing business.